Alrighty traders, George here in time for a look at the week ahead. We're already underway here Monday morning with some bullish action in the equity markets, and that's actually what I want to focus on, and specifically the Dow futures on the balance beam model. The balance beam model here showing me where all the trading commitment is from the big houses down to the ma and pa traders, and you can see here at the top there's a lot of trading commitment, about 17.6 floor to about 18,000 to the ceiling. And then things open up below that, a bit of an air pocket, not as much trading commitment there, into the low 17.1s to about 16.9s. So where we are right now, pointed this out in the live room just recently here with 17.3s being overtaken by the bulls here. Watch for a quick move back up to 17.5s minimum. That's exactly what's happened here. So with some short gain existing here, some new bottom feeders coming in, and then some shorts they're scrambling to cover as this thing moves up, and then some new longs coming into the mix. Where we are right now, just over 17.5 is a good overshoot of that level. And so where that leaves us for this week is, are the bulls going to continue this? If so, we're going to go up to 17.620 minimum. At that level, it's a real key catalyst for the market. Are the bears going to continue this impulse and reject that, put in a resistance swing and drive down to retest these lows and then new structure lows? Or at 17.6s, will the bulls come in and continue this rally? If they take over 17.6s, we're very likely going back to 18,000 through 17.8s. So that's the real key thing that I'm watching this week, is if we're getting to this level and what happens either direction. Now, if we don't go up there and we stay with our 200 plus point gain right here, we start to fade back. How far back would we fade? If we fade back more than about 100 points, that's going to break us below this shelf here and likely see us move down to 17.3s minimum. If we undercut 17.3s, that's extremely bearish. Not only would we be undercutting the open of today's candle, but we're back below this spike here in the middle of this air pocket, and we're very likely going to see at least a minimum of a 200 point additional sell-off from that level. So those are the key catalytic points in the market. Whatever happens in the Dow, the key confirmation and acceleration points will be at these price points that I've highlighted here, and it's something that we'll be on top of in the live room, as well as the other markets: gold, oil, NASDAQ, and S&P, including the mini Russell there. So use the link at the bottom of the video. You can hop in the live room, watch me day trade these futures markets, as well as do some big picture analysis like you see here. And until then, I'll see you back in the live room.